We're watching Hurricane Irma very closely. A very strong, life-threatening storm, Category 5 as of early Wednesday, with those winds still up to 185 miles per hour, one of the strongest hurricanes ever recorded in the Atlantic Basin. It is tracking towards Florida, but we are seeing more of an easterly shift in those models, which may be some good news, at least staying just a bit on the east side of Florida. At least that's the way it looks as of now. And we do have that severe threat a little bit farther north today in the mid-Atlantic states. But take a look at that very well-defined eye wall, and some of the northern portions of the Leeward Islands taking a direct hit. A lot of devastation there, and then heading towards the U.S. Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, eventually over to Hispaniola and back into the Bahamas. And a number of those hurricane warnings have been posted in the bright red. Hurricane watches for the Bahamas, Cuba, and there is that latest track, of course, now starting to see maybe a little bit easterly shift. However, notice the cone of uncertainty. There's still a difference and a spread in these models, so we're still kind of keeping an eye on the track, but it will take a right turn. Once it heads north of Cuba, it'll head straight north and then again curve towards Florida, but we'll be watching it. Meanwhile, today we have a slight risk of severe weather for eastern North Carolina. Marginal threat as far south as northern Florida. Widely scattered showers and storms breaking out today. There could be pockets of heavy rain along with that, and we're also tracking some much cooler air behind that front to the far north.